You often have to work on multiple things at once, and Git lets your code multitask with you using branches. Branches isolate changes so that you can make updates to your code without having to worry about how they interact with other changes from your team. Git branches are cheap to create. There's no additional copy of the files created like in other version control systems, so there's almost no overhead. You should create a branch whenever you need to work on something new, such as fixing a bug, updating docs, writing a test, or adding a new feature. If you're not sure if you should create a new branch for your work, go ahead and do so. It's much easier to create a branch and merge it than it is to create a commit and then move it to a branch afterwards. When you're working with Git, you're always working on a branch. This can be your default branch, such as master, or another branch specific to the work you're doing. The branch itself isn't much more than just a named reference pointing to a commit. Every time you make a new commit on the branch, the reference updates so that it points to the latest commit. To create a branch in Git, first make sure that you're working with the version of the code you want to base your work from. You can check this using Git status. Next, select a name for your branch and create it using Git branch. Switch over to the newly created branch using Git checkout. You'll need to run the checkout command again to switch between branches in your local repo.